2014 Honda Accord. This is a plug-in hybrid model, but I'm sure the handles are probably the same for other ones. This is how to take it off. Take this off. Then there is a 10 millimeter right there. Take that off. And this pops off. Like so. And then this, it already started coming out, but this is how you would take this off. You open it, and then you pull this way, like that. And then you wiggle it out. That comes out with the wire. Mine's already unplugged, but you can unplug that. There you go. And if you want to subscribe, I'm going to be putting out more videos on this car. It's a 2014 Honda Accord plug-in hybrid. These are very rare. It was crashed right here. Here are the parts. I'm going to be putting it back together. Very rare. This is one in, I think, 1,049 made. Plug-in hybrid 2014. If you're interested, subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos.